Welcome to the study orientation video for the Built Environment Bachelor's program. My name is Zaan Goosen and I teach a selection of different modules within this bachelor's. I'm here today with Kane.
Hi, my name is Kane. I studied the Built Environment Bachelor program with my specialization in urban planning, and I'm currently in my second year.
Before we dive into the details of the program, let me first tell you a bit more about Breda University of Applied Sciences. Breda University of Applied Sciences is a medium-sized higher education institute in Breda. At BUas, we have over 7,000 students from about 80 different countries. On our campus, we offer professional and academic bachelor's and master's programs in 9 different domains. Today we'll be focusing on the Built Environment domain. The Built Environment Bachelor's program has been developed in close cooperation with the industry. You gain the right skill set, competencies, knowledge and abilities during your studies to be well prepared for the professional field. The program is dynamic and will challenge you to develop a broad knowledge base. The study program is developed over a period of 4 years, and you will work with students and lecturers from different backgrounds. During these 4 years, you will gradually have the opportunity to specialize your study route based on a selection of modules of your choice. Within the Built Environment program, we offer 3 specializations: urban planning, urban design, or mobility. Parallel to this, you will continuously focus on developing your personal and professional skills and abilities. Through research, practical case studies, and knowledge blocks on different topics, we will teach you how to critically analyze challenges and develop solutions for a sustainable future. Kane, why did you choose to follow this program at BUas?
My main reason for choosing to study at BUas is that the program has a lot of practical courses. You not only learn about a certain topic, but you also have to implement the theory during real-life practices. We call those labs. You learn to work together in a group where everyone has different roles, ideas and perspectives that eventually have to become one. Another reason why I chose this program is because it's not that formal. A lot of lecturers know what you're going through and really try to help you with struggles you're facing during your studies. You're not seen like just another student, but really as your own person. Furthermore, the study program is more focused on the social aspects of the built environment, which I really like.
Let's zoom in on the setup of the program. The program lasts 4 years, and each year consists of 2 semesters. During the first semester of year 1, you are introduced to the field of built environment, and you lay a solid theoretical foundation. At the beginning of the second semester of year 1, you will choose your specialization. During each semester from the start of your studies, you will work on a project related to the industry, which we refer to as your lab project. Within this lab, you are challenged with real-life cases in the field, and you will focus on developing your skills of research, communication, collaboration, and visualization. During semester 1 of year 3, you will go on a placement and work within a company of your choice on a project or assignment. When you return, you will continue with selected modules of your choice. In year 4, you follow a minor and then enter the final stage of your studies, your graduation period. Your graduation period is completed within a company of your choice. Here you are again challenged to apply all the skills and knowledge you have built up over the past 3 years. During the course of your studies, you are always supported through mentoring programs and through the personal and professional development line. Kane, can you tell us a bit more about how you're experiencing your bachelor's?
In my year, we're currently with about 70 people in a study course, with an even mix of 50% international students and 50% Dutch students. For me, it was new to be in an international class. However, it really helped me because you learn more about other cultures and how things are done in other countries. And in class, we work with a lot of international projects and case studies that help us see things from a different perspective. Another thing that I really like is that we can create our own study pathway, because at the end of each semester you can make a choice of what course you would like to follow the next semester. This allows you to personalize the program in a way that fits best for your personal interests and learning objectives. You will receive enough guidance during the semester to work on your projects. However, the last week before the deadlines you can get busier because of the realization how time flies.
I'm often asked where our graduates end up after graduation. As the world population continues to grow, there are more and more challenges we face. Plans need to be made for a sustainable future. This calls for innovative ideas and solutions on all levels and from different perspectives and disciplines. Future professionals are able to collaborate in situations where there is constant change, bringing together optimal, integrated solutions that include different input and processes. While studying built environment, we prepare you for this. Your future job opportunities also depend on the choices of courses you make during your studies. Should you wish to pursue a master's degree after your bachelor's, you can. BUas has a number of partner universities at home and abroad where you can continue your studies and possibly follow a shortened path. When you have made your choice and you are ready to apply, you can visit the page of Built Environment on the BUas website and check the admission requirements. Now, Kane will provide you with more information on how to apply.
I will go a bit more into detail about the application procedure. It first depends if you're from the Netherlands or not. If you're not from the Netherlands, you will have to go to the BUas website, where you can find a link that shows what diplomas are equivalent to the Dutch diplomas that you need to have to be ordered to be admitted. Everyone will first have to apply via StudyLink, both Dutch and non-Dutch students. After that, you will receive an email asking you to answer some questions and upload a document or take a test about your English proficiency. International students may be asked to write a motivation letter or hand in their CV, and Dutch students have to complete a self-reflection test. After that, Dutch students will be invited to attend a matching day, where we'll do a small assignment to gain a better idea of what the study program is about. In the end, you will receive a positive or negative recommendation to attend the study program.
Finally, we wanted to take some time to answer some of the most commonly asked questions we receive about the program. So here we go. Why choose Built Environment at BUas?
Because the program offers you a hand-on learning with lots of practical examples, I think this sets Built Environment apart from other bachelors in this domain. What's the difference between the Dutch and international track?
Both tracks are the same. Apart from the language, you follow the programming. The difference is mainly in the cases you do. In the Dutch track, you work on examples from the Netherlands, whereas in the English track, you work on cases focused on foreign cities. There is also a difference in the excursions during the program. What will a typical week of studying look like for you?
Your study timetable is structured based on the course of selections, ensuring sufficient time of lecturing, but also time to work outside of class on your projects and assignments. Remember, this is a full-time program and your practical lab assignments also require a lot of time that's scheduled into your timetable every week. Is it easy to get a job after graduation?
Yes. People from the field are in high demand as there are many challenges due to growing population and climate challenges. After your studies, you can join different businesses or organizations in the Netherlands and abroad. If you want to find out more about this program, you can visit one of our on-campus open days. Should you still have questions after all this, we also have our students available for you in the chat option to answer all of your questions. You can check out our website, and under the Meet Us tab, you will find all the options.
We hope this video has answered many of your questions. However, you might still have a few questions we didn't tackle in this video.
In that case, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help you find the study program that suits you best. And of course, Kane and I hope that you will choose the bachelor program of Built Environment and that we will see you here next year at our campus in Breda.
Is it your dream to create the city of the future? Then come and follow the Built Environment Bachelor program. And thank you for watching.